Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go offline server. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go offline server, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list we'll search about the window of Monopoly Go. Then we click for stop and we click OK. Here we click storage. Then we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of problems or issues that you have on Monopoly Go. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.